Hello. Oh, hello guys, one and holy boy. Welcome to excited. Happy and proud. You know the vibe, guys. You definitely know the vibe. So in today's video, I just wanna show you how we definitely or we look for setups. I just love the word definitely. But this is the way of how I look for setups, and we can see that we this is just for those like that are in that position where they just use like devices such as phone and yeah such as phone in order to analyze the market. So you can see I'm currently using the phone, yeah, just to show you how well, for the good part about said how my people is traded, like the way I trade market. It's quite simple because I don't look for more of like I do look for the past data in all this thing, but it doesn't predict our like what's this our decisions, because like sometimes we find like some of the traders say, look, this trade at this point in was a strong zone, like it was a so strong zone, so that's why my price failed to cross above and all this other thing. Okay, so but what we're trying to say is that's not what you're here for. I'm just here to share my insight about I'm viewing God in this past, like the week and all this other thing. Okay, so we might see that God has been quite amazing. We had a good move here, which was in the market. We can say that first of all, what I basically look for is in the daily time frame. I look for the candle first, and I check to see what kind of a candle do we have in the daily time frame, not just the trend, because the trend is predictable, and we know that we have been in a bullish trend for a while now, but that's not what we're here for. Apart from that, this is Monday, the first day of the week, so we expect like it's not like it has full of uncertainty, because like it's not a bit of certain. We might know the direction, but what we're trying to say is there is more to chart, like the more than maybe like Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, it becomes like yeah, a bit like predictable. But apart from that, we know that today God is quite amazing, because look what happens is, first of all, we can see that there's a point in our market where we have been in a bullish market. Understand, like we had the first hat here, the second hat here, and here we expected price to break below, but unfortunately did not. And this is one thing that I want to show you guys. Other thing that I would love to emphasize on the where the mistake I think has been, where we do make mistakes sometimes. We find that we have been having this, there's a difference between a minor trend and a major trend. Understand, there's a difference between a minor trend and a major trend. So a minor trend, this is the trend that happens in as you are trading, then you find like it happens in like in the trend, inside the trend. Like I gave an example of this one. Okay, this one, like they trade, like they scalper traders, to them it was a trend. You understand, this one was a minor trend to them, because you can see it was quite amazing. This low was taken, this higher was taken out, this higher was about to be taken out, but unfortunately then market changed the direction. Understand, so that's what we call a minor trend. So if there's a difference between the minor and the major trend. So as you're looking at the chart, these are things that you should put into consideration. Say, okay, what kind of trend, where am I in, like where am I in the market? You understand, so what they're trying to say is, in as much as we had almost this touch, understand, I think it was almost, because we are, yeah, it's touch, it's like almost, and we can just put it that, like, yeah, you can say touch here. And what we are seeing here right now is we can see that price has been in a position where we like having now sort of a range. So a range is the market. Some of them they call it like a no trend zone. Some of them might call it all the trend like a quiet, but me I call it a quiet zone because it's nothing. Unpredictable zone, you might call it like we don't know who is like in control of the market because neither the buyers and sellers are in control. You can see the high here was taken, it gave like sort of thinking like we're going to higher, but unfortunately price did not break above and then start going down. So we are in position where we can't open first trades. Like we should wait for the price maybe to either break above or below. Understand? So now here's my idea. We have always been taught to say we have to be a flexible trader. In as much as you are in the market, you have to like think of saying, okay, wait, what am I looking for? Okay, so I can see that price, if it were to go up, we can wait for the price to break above here, then we can target high. Understand? And this is the reason why we're going to target this point, because this is the point where we have been having as a point of interest. Apart from that, we have no points where the market has been giving us sort of pullbacks, like in the higher time frame, the higher high and lows. The market was just like pushing above. So what we are saying is, if price can cross above, I personally am thinking like we can cross above, even in as much as we are going to cross above, expecting price to go as high as this point. So what you can say is, if price crosses above, we can if price crosses above, we can like put a stop loss here, TP just here, yeah. And 1 to 9 is one of the amazing point, because look guys, it's an obvious, because 1 to 9, it's a big, it's like you're risking 1% to get 9%, you understand? Yeah, so it's quite amazing. It's a good risk to reward ratio, and one of the biggest risk to reward ratio you can ever add. Yeah, but this is just idea of where we are expecting price to go. Okay, I'm not saying maybe price can like give us 1 to 9, but this is what I'm saying. Because why? Because this is the point of interest you're expecting. And apart from that, this is what I want also people to start understanding about the candles. You understand? The candles is the language of the market. You understand? This is what tells us what is expected in the market. You understand? So apart from that, let's just get rid of this. We might say if price can cross, this one crosses below, because this is like about 32 minutes to cross, to cross this candle. So what we are saying is, if price can cross above, then it's quite amazing. But if price started like going lower, like it happened, you understand, we're expecting, if price start like going below, it's an obvious that it will be sort of having now thinking of retesting here, and then this is like a point of interest. And if it continues, it goes further by wanting to push below, then we can say like, okay, this is the strongest point of like the strongest support level. So I think this is what I'm seeing as for me, but mostly I'm debating because I'm like more into the buys than the sells in today's trading. Like I'm just expecting more of the buys than the sells. Why? Because we had this amazing move, guys. We did not break above here, but we have been having good weak rejection candles here. See, we have been having good weak rejection candle here. Okay, and here rejected price, thought of pushing above, it couldn't. This one might cross above, and then we expect price to like sort of giving us a go vibe. So this is what I'm seeing, guys, in today's setups, and this is why I am thinking of. So let's just wait for that, for the market to like go in our direction, then update you later, guys. But this is just my view on how I'm looking for today's setups. Peace, guys.